Jack, Emma, time to wake up. Our trip day is here.
Already? It's still dark outside.
I'm awake. Are we going to the airport now?
Yes, our flight is at 10. We need to leave soon.
I packed my bag last night. Clothes, my book, and Mr. Fluffy.
Good job, Emma. Jack, did you pack your sneakers?
Yes, Mom, and my cap too.
Let's have breakfast first. We need energy for the trip.
Okay, I love travel mornings.
Here's some toast and juice. Eat up, everyone.
How long until we leave?
About 20 minutes. Then we put the bags in the car.
Don't forget the passports.
Of course, they're right here in my bag.
Can I sit by the window in the car?
Sure, Jack, but it's not the airplane yet.
I know, but it's still fun.
Everyone buckled up?
Yes!
Yes!
Okay, let's go. The airport is 30 minutes away.
Oh, look, a big truck.
And so many cars. Is everyone traveling today?
Lots of people fly on weekends. Airports are busy places.
Don't worry, we left early. We'll be on time.
I hope so. I don't want to miss the plane.
Me neither.
Whoa, the airplane is huge.
It's like a giant building with wings.
Well said, Emma. Let's take our bags inside.
Jack, can you help Dad with the small suitcase?
Yes, Mom.
There are so many people and big screens.
Those are flight information screens. Let's find ours.
Here it is, Flight 305 to Sunny Beach. Check-in is open.
What's check-in?
It's where we show our tickets and give them our big bags.
Oh, okay.
Good morning. Passports, please.
Here you go.
How many bags are you checking today?
2 suitcases, please.
Perfect. Please put them on the scale.
Are they too heavy?
Nope, just right. Here are your boarding passes. Your gate is B7.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
What's next?
Security check. They check our bags to keep everyone safe.
Is it scary?
Not at all. Just put your bag on the belt and walk through.
Like a game?
Exactly. A safety game. Next, please. Bags on the belt.
Even my small bag?
Yes, everything. Now walk through here.
Oh, that was easy.
See? Nothing to worry about.
I like airports. They're exciting.
Whoa, look, a toy store and a candy shop.
Can we look around?
Sure, we have time, but stay close, okay?
Who wants a snack before the flight?
Me.
Me.
I see airplanes outside. They're so big.
Bigger than our house.
Almost.
It's 9:20. Boarding starts soon.
Is that our plane? The one with the blue tail?
Yes, that's the one.
Oh, I'm so excited. My first flight.
Flight 305 to Sunny Beach now boarding.
That's us. Jack, Emma, boarding passes ready? Here's mine. Me too.
Welcome aboard.
Hello.
Whoa, this tunnel is cool. It's like a bridge to the sky.
Well said, Jack.
Here are our seats. Row 10. Jack, you take the window.
Awesome. I can see everything.
Fasten your seatbelt like this, right?
Yes, perfect.
Welcome aboard. We'll take off shortly.
The captain's voice sounds funny.
That's the airplane speaker.
Oh, it's moving. We're going to fly.
This is the best day ever.
Whoa, we're in the sky. Look at the clouds.
Everything looks so small.
Yes, we're very high up. Would you like some apple juice?
Yes, please.
Me too.
Traveling is thirsty work, huh?
Ah, this is the best juice ever.
How long until we land?
About 1 hour. You can rest if you want.
I'm not tired. I want to see everything.
You both did great on your first flight.
Can we do this again soon?
Of course. There are so many places to see.
I love flying.
Me too.
We have landed. Welcome to Sunny Beach.
Ah, we're here. That was amazing.
I want to fly again tomorrow.
Let's enjoy this trip first.
Ready for adventure?
Yes.
Yes.
Great job today, both of you. You were brave and curious.
Thanks, Mom. This was so fun.
Best trip ever.